Hello, classmates. My name is Bethany Voigt, and I will be presenting to you all today on the article Take 2 Aspirin and Tweet Me in the Morning by Carleen Hahn, which emphasizes on the effects of social media technologies on healthcare. For this presentation, I will be summarizing the stated article by discussing some social media technologies mentioned, the benefits of social media with healthcare properties for patients and clinicians, some established concerns, and my thoughts on some takeaways from the information. One social media application mentioned throughout the article involved a technology referred to as Hello Health. This is essentially a healthcare website or social network for patients and providers to utilize for care purposes. Hello Health is privately owned and funded by a Canadian company called MICA. This company does not utilize health insurance. However, patients would only have to pay a small fee for joining the application. For care purposes, patients and clinicians have the ability to instant message or IM, email, video chat, and other resources. The author made sure to express throughout the article that this application allows for efficient communication and that really social media for healthcare usage changes or improves the experience. This technology came about in the year 2008. The article mentioned that a great handful of patients had enrolled as soon as the program became known. With this, the company will continue to prosper with more and more patient registrations. Hahn also emphasized Hello Health would open up its network frame to a variety of practices where physicians can join for free. Here, they can not only communicate with patients but with other doctors as well. Other forms of social media were provided within this piece, including Facebook, patient portals, blogs, Twitter, and many others. Many clinicians stated enjoying utilizing physician blogs, secure messaging, and care websites to share insights on medicine, treatment, and the use of technologies. Physicians such as Dr. Iton and Dr. Parkinson make use of digital diaries and speak highly of technology and social networking. Typically, news and commentary and even some personal experiences are included with the blogs. I think the idea with this information was to draw in readers with the attention that social media will become more and more advanced with time, and that this will be the future of healthcare. It can also be interpreted from the article that the use of these technologies will lead to common goals of strengthening relationships, improving communication, and having greater quality care. Moving on to the benefits of social media on healthcare. Hahn, the author, elaborated on various benefits for not only patients but clinicians as well. That way both parties could see the potential. Patient benefits include forming new relationships with providers, saving money by not having to officially travel or pay for care, having the accessibility factor for all patients, controlled care such as making their own appointments online, getting encouragement from individuals, and many other benefits. The article even discussed an example of encouragement and efficiency with a patient using social media to manage her health. The woman lives with type 2 diabetes and utilizes a personal blog along with Twitter to input information about her diabetic health, such as hemoglobin levels and her exercise. She luckily receives great encouragement from followers, some may even be clinicians, to assist her with the process. For clinician benefits, they can promote techniques and post lessons or updates about medicine. They have better accessibility to care for more patients, and they can communicate with other doctors easily and timely. This assists with continuity of care, data analysis, and even research for clinicians able to practice a social media framework. Even when I was reading this article, I automatically thought of privacy and security, HIPAA, and even wrongful usage of information. The article addressed concerns relating to privacy, HIPAA compliance, networking, lack of quality with care, lack of protocols, cost, and adoption. Essentially, a big concern is the information ending up in the wrong hands, especially with using programs such as Facebook messaging and even care websites or email. There is always a concern if any information being communicated is actually safe. The application Hello Health's ability to comply with HIPAA guidelines was stated as worrisome, as well as if patients would actually be receiving quality care without that face-to-face setting. With this, there is also the unsettling dispute with liability in using patient information with previously mentioned technologies and networks. Now, this can be a reason some clinicians do not wish to pursue technology growth, as well as the possibility of any financial burdens. Some are more or less afraid of the changes, and without set protocols, that can have providers left feeling uneasy about adoption or networking. Now I will include some takeaways from my reading. I think the most important takeaway from this article is technology is still growing. It's here. Even though this article is older, from 2009, I do feel it is a nice read for when more advanced technologies were just coming out. I also feel it is beneficial for those smaller facilities undergoing technology adoptions. This article discusses electronic healthcare properties through social media tactics, which relates to the lesson for this week, emphasizing EHR systems. Lastly, I get to utilize communication strategies such as instant messaging, email, and electronic records currently at my work. So I am glad I chose this article to present to you all, and I feel I can apply what I have read to see how far technology has come and see what else is in store for us. Here's the reference for the article. I hope you all enjoyed the presentation.